Welcome to this screencast. We are looking at retained profit as an internal source of finance. If it's profit, it belongs to the investors, to the shareholders. It's for them to use. And if you invest in a business, you invest so that in the future you're going to get more money. So this can be then linked to growing the business. So instead of getting your dividend this year, if you keep it within the business as retained profit to be invested in a project to grow the business, then in the future, the value of your investment should have increased. So this decision is for the investors to make. In case of really large businesses, large PLCs, the professional managers, the CEO, would have a strong recommendation to put forward to a vote for the investors to make. But for smaller businesses, it really is the owners, the shareholders, who would make that call. Now, there's certain advantages. When you are running a business and you are using retained profit to finance the growth, so no cost in the sense the business, there's no to pay, there's no cost. So it's quite a cheap source of finance if you can use it, and then no extra share. So you're not losing control of the business if you're the existing shareholders. In terms of drawbacks, there are some drawbacks. The timing. So you can decide to keep the profit within the business. This only happens once a year when you publish your profit figures for the whole business. And this is an official figure. The tax man would be aware of this because how much profit you make determine how much tax the business has got to pay. So this is quite a formal process. So once a year, you can decide, I'm going to keep this in the business to finance a growth project. And also there's a limit. What's the maximum limit of your retained profit? Then the maximum is 100% of the profit. You cannot spend more than that because that's no longer profit. That would be something else that would have to be accounted to. And remember that certainly if you're, a business, not a sole trader, a business, the government would want to know how this is run and where the money is going. So I hope you'll find that useful, and I look forward to seeing your work in our lessons.